In front of me is LG K62, and let me show you how to activate camera timer in this phone. So at first, just open the camera app, then right here you've got timer option, so simply click on it and you can pick 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. Let me pick 3 seconds delay, and as you can see from now on, the picture will be grabbed with 3 minutes delay. And then, as you can see, it has been done. It's located in our gallery, and obviously you can pick any other feature, so any other option, sorry, so it can be 5 seconds delay or 10 seconds delay. You will see the countdown at first, and then the picture will be grabbed. To turn the timer off, just unmark the switcher, and from now on the picture will be done right after you click. So this is it, that will be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.